Hey there. So I want to show you the powerful feature of the Anespa Shower Spa. It is unbelievable. I just changed my filter today, and you can see here, there's the three filters. So this is the filter straight from the box. And then this is the filter. I moved a year ago and I was living on an acreage with well water. And this filter came out of my house there, out of my acreage, and I changed it as soon as I moved into this house in town. So this was from, I've kept it, so in the box. So there was a lot of iron in my well water, and like it took it all out. Yeah. That's why it's so nice and rusty colored. That's what my skin was doing before I put this Anespa in my house. Water was just rusting my skin away. And this one has just been removed. This is me living in my house for about a year now. No, just over a year. And it just came out today. Like, that is disgusting. That is all the crap that municipalities put into our water to make it safe. And there's so many, do your research, and there's so much chlorine in the water in the town where I live in. I can smell it when I turn on the taps. And my skin without this filter system in my shower was so dry before. I dealt with itchy scalp and dry scalp and lizard skin, it felt like it, and I was putting lotion on all the time. And don't get me wrong, I still get dry skin. I live in very cold, dry Alberta, Canada, and I still have to use lotion, but it's not near as much as it was before. I don't have to use flaky scalp shampoo anymore, ever. And like, that's crazy. Our bodies, our skin, it absorbs all the chemicals in the water within seconds. And those chemicals that go into our body get absorbed by our organs. And do you really want to be having yourself or your loved ones absorbing chlorine, fluoride, you name it? There's so many bad chemicals in municipal water. I could go on and on with what they all are. So yeah, if you don't want to bathe or shower in chemical saturated water, then shoot me a message and we can chat.